Alright, so we're here at Coliseum. It's just outside of Livingston and Mid-Calder on the back roads. It's unbelievably nice, and you'll see in the video what I mean by the fact that it is a stunning location. Today's video, as I said, is about money. You don't necessarily need hundreds of pounds, hundreds of dollars, whatever your currency is, to be able to make engaging content. You can shoot it on your phone, you can shoot it on a point and shoot. So long as you're passionate about what you're doing, you know the shots that you want to get, and you concentrate on the audio and storytelling aspects of things, you will make engaging content, you will grow that audience, you will become successful on YouTube. I am still striving to hit that. However, I think with these tips that I am telling you, I will be able to do this eventually. I have just came back from holiday in Washington. If you're new to the channel, I did vlog a few days there. However, that has made me pretty broke just now. So I took a moment, thought about where I wanted to go, processed it, looked everywhere else around my local area, and managed to find this place. I haven't done this part of the walk before, and it proved to be invaluable for what I'm doing. There is so much that I can take video of, and so much that you will have seen in this video anyways. Yes, I've shot this on a Canon 70D with a kit lens, and I did use a drone for some of the footage. However, these are items that I have at my disposal anyways. These are items that I use in a business sense as well, so therefore I thought there's no issue in using them. And likewise, if you have a drone, use it. Make sure you abide by all the rules of your local area, but still use that drone, get those sweet drone shots going across water, etc., showing the scale of the environment that you're in. All adds to the production value. If you don't have that, if you don't have the funds to do that, there are many other ways that you can tell story through visual media, and there will be some videos coming soon on that. But yeah guys, until next time guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.